Hey guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a little trip. We're going to go to a pretty cool car show. It's in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I actually have the old blue C10 down there. It's in the Expo Center, whatever they want to call it. Got the big golden driller outside of it. This is like the 6th tallest statue in the United States, so it's pretty good size. It's kind of, it's always been an icon. Daryl Starbird's car show, I can remember going with my dad and spending a lot of time walking around, oohing and ahhing over cars. Have had awesome builders like Gene Winfield and Daryl Starbird and many others there through the years. Got to see a lot of really interesting builds, and man, it just kind of sparked that interest with me into the custom world and the painting world, and just led to a life of doing automotive kind of stuff. So I'm gonna walk you through there really quick today. It's a 3-day show, and I showed up, parked my truck, and got in the middle of a bunch of organized chaos, and then just said heck with it and walked around with the GoPro. I apologize, some of the shots are pretty quick, but this is a real short preview. There's supposed to be over 1,000 cars there, and believe me, it looked like it. The C10 ended up parked on a ramp over to the side, kinda, just because hog shooter, we didn't register until Monday of this week. The show, you had to pull everything in on Wednesday. I had other stuff that needed to happen on Wednesday, so I go on Thursday, and wow, it was a packed house. So enjoy what's here. Leave me a comment in this video and let me know if there's a particular build style, a car, what you want to see there, because there is literally something for everyone in this show. So enjoy the little video here of a quick walkthrough. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want more video of, because I'm going to try to get this out the first night of me being there for the setup. So there's still plenty of days left to go get more video, closer, better, all those things. I do want to give a shout out to Hardcore Fab, Anthony there. I saw him earlier, got to introduce myself, shake his hand, and looking forward to making the walkthrough to check out his builds. There'll be more to come. This is just the beginning.
No, I wish.
Oh, okay. I was like,
not
man.
the same one, but it's in a million pieces. It is not like that.
All right. That one is pretty dang cool looking. Are you able to stay warm enough to be? neighbor?
Awesome.
Doing well, doing well. All right, I'm Brian Buford. Nice to meet you. Excellent. All right, AJ. Doing all right?
Yeah, man. gotta get a hold of people and get in.